Today I'm going to simplify this BingX exchange for everyone. We're looking at Bitcoin at 27,106. This is a 6-hour chart. It's a mess unless you go like this. The first trick everyone needs to learn is to press the auto button. That is how the candle should look. Very, very simply. So the price is going up at the moment. Let me take a quick look here. Okay, so think about this. It only goes up and down. The bigger the candle, I want to get rid of that. The bigger the candle, the bigger the move. So this is what I call the drill down. This is a little more advanced. Okay, look. If you want to buy or sell, you pick one of these. That doesn't do anything but load your cannon. Okay? So let's say you want to buy. This is the trigger. These are your leverages. I think 100x is the absolute best. Anything less than that is too slow. The old paradigm is to think that 100x is too fast. Okay? It's not. If you're on a good exchange like BingX, forget the days of exchanges like BitMEX and Binance and Bybit and all the exchanges that are loaded with bots and are designed to trade against you. So this is a simple exchange for everyone. Let's go across the top because many people ask me and let's take a screenshot. Why would I take a screenshot? Well, first of all, this is a great tool you can get on the Chrome store. It's called Web Page Screenshot, and it looks like this one. Okay, let's see, contact us. Okay, screenshot that, and that's where you could get it. It's free. I like to screenshot because we go colorblind. See, or we go number blind. See, if I look back, price was 108.51. Now it's 107.99. So it's dropping a little bit. So let me teach you. Forget about everything you see on YouTube. They are lying to you. Okay? They don't trade. They're trying to make content. Look at the number struggling to go up anymore. They're trying to make content so that they make money on AdSense and selling you a course. Everybody has something to sell. Even on my channel, if you go to one of my videos, okay, you're going to see the link the exchange I like to trade under. Yeah, you can trade on this from every country. You don't need a VPN, but people use VPNs for security. Okay, I like to set mine to Ireland. They're very neutral. This is Bybit. It's just like Bit7. This, all the way down here, do you ever want to trade over somebody's shoulder? Do you ever pay to copy trade? That's really stupid. But imagine a place where you can learn. That's this. My Discord. Click on it. It's like a giant community. There's no memes. There's no people guessing prices. They're literally watching me trade in something called the DTU. Okay, the daily trade updates in real time. Yeah, I have a Rumble channel to back up, and I put things there first. If you go to this Rumble's channel, okay, it's like a YouTube, and you use your Google to log in once, they will notify you of when I put out a new video by email, unlike YouTube. This is a great credit card that I've had for years. I have 3 of them. You should look into it. BitGet is good, but if you're in the US, they want you to use a VPN. They really don't want you. And again, everybody's selling something. I'm selling you a skill for life. A consultation with me. Click the link and find out more. It's a private session where I share my screen with you, even if you've never traded before. I teach you when to trade, when not to trade. I don't teach you about candlesticks and volume and Ichimoku clouds and all of that. There's no courses to study. I'm going to explain to you a game of war. Red Army versus the Green Army. Now, many of you are in my group, and you're doing phenomenally well. So let's look at direction together. And let's use one exchange. We used to flip between 2 tabs here on BitMEX, okay, for the time frames. So, I mean, I would look here and see we had some dumping. Each one of these is 360 minutes, and there's pumping only in the last 6-hour candle. If I go to the 1 hour, I can see that pumping was for 2 hours out of the 6. Then it dumped for 1 hour, okay? And now it's trying to pump again. Whether we go up or down now depends on the next candle, but why should we use BitMEX? We don't log in. Why should I even show it anymore? Here's the new paradigm. Let me walk you through here. We're going to do our time frames right here. If I wanted to short Bitcoin at 150x and put, let's say, $500, okay, I might want to do it right there. And 100x is safer for everyone. Now, let's set up the right candles. You have to set this once. You don't want anything other than this last one. Hike in a she. Hiya! See, this is not going to be a big downward move because it has a tail. You see that little thing sticking out of its butt? Here's a little pro tip for everyone. Saturday morning lesson. Okay, yes, the price is going down. All right. Saturday morning lesson. On a 1-minute chart, whoever has the tail is going to fail. Okay, in 2 to 3 candles. It's very effective. Now, you need to know what a tail is. A tail is a wick about a quarter of the size of the real wick going the wrong way. Let's take another screenshot of that price, and then we're going to refer to where we started. If you're learning, subscribe, put a thumbs up, whatever. Okay? Hold on 1 second. The other thing is, I don't reply to comments usually, but I read every comment. And I don't really make money from YouTube ads. As a matter of fact, I turn them off. If you see ads, that's YouTube. And you should. Now, I'll tell you, there's the thing I do. It's called YouTube Premium. And there's no ads. And the best part is you're walking around with your phone. You don't want to have to keep the screen on. And with regular YouTube, you turn the screen off. Okay? It stops playing. With YouTube Premium, and I have no link for this or anything. Okay, your screen will you could turn it off and keep listening. I try to design my videos so that you can listen to them. Okay, you might watch it once, but then listen to it again, and you'll pick up things you missed the first time. So, price is moving down. How do we know? Well, we took some screenshots. 108, 103, 101. Look at that. Screenshots are powerful. And then what you do is you delete the oldest screenshot. Those were trades that were won and closed. This is here. Oh my God, I killed it yesterday. Do I need to show you trades? I'm trying to teach you today. This was here, and now we are here. Okay? And it's funny because when we looked at the 1 minute, I said, whoever has the tail is going to fail. There's your tail on the red army. And candles getting smaller. The downward move is failing. But anyway, yeah, it can go wildly against you. Let me show you something. Many times when you start a trade, it's like a wild animal. It tries to throw you off. But when you do this right, I'm looking at the amounts of money I made on each trade here, because they have the lowest fees on this Bing X. Look at this. One trade. I was shorting the stock market with crypto. Yes, there are stocks on Bing X. Take a look at this. I shorted Beyond Meat at 50x leverage. The fake meat that tastes terrible. It's made with chemicals. And I went in heavy, so I was able to make $784 on just 19%. And then I did Beyond Meat again. And made another $1,400. Look at this. Okay? The proper trade size is important. Don't put too much that you're going to panic. And don't put too much that you're going to freak out. What's this one? 90%. Oh, gosh. Check this out. I got to show this on my stock channel. Beyond Meat, 90%. $3,600 in one 50x leverage trade. You can't do that on E-Trade or Fidelity or anything. I'm actually going to go ahead and make a deposit now. Okay? And I'm going to show you how to do this. This is an Exodus wallet. Always download one of these. It's free. Google it. There's no link for this. The link for the exchange is below. The link for my free Discord is below, and my Twitter. Okay? But download one of these. Withdraw to this. Okay? Send money from this to Coinbase or whatever. But always have one of these so you're in control of your money. Okay? Let's see what happens if we just drop a small short right there. The trade is in. I have some other trades in that won't be moving until 9 a.m. because the stock market is closed. Look, if you come here, hold on, let me just show you. So if you come down here, right, these are my stock trades, okay? Beyond Meat, this and this. As soon as the market opens, it dips at 10:30, I unload those. Those won't move right now. But here's my 2 BTC shorts that we just dropped in. The perfect time, because we're probably going to break under 27,000 again. Yesterday in my Discord, okay, I told them we are too good. This was way before we were at 27,000, and they see my trades before I win and after. Okay, we're too close to 27,000. Watch the 1 hour. They may FOMO over the whole number, meaning 27K at some point. And sure enough, they did. Okay, now I've had a bunch of consultations yesterday. Being in my group, you get to watch me trade over my shoulder in real time. In real time, exactly what I'm doing. Okay, here, you can see it. Critical times to watch out for, when it's going to pump and dump. Look, I'm trading here. What does it take for me to share with you what I'm doing and post here? It's not that I live to post. I'm really a trader. I am not like these other people. Okay, I mean, here, click the video. I made $18,000 in this. Is it going to play?
I'm trading on Bing X. I'm
Look.
Bitcoin and Lady.
225%. 340.
225%.
I made 18,000. Look at the top.
11%. Epic. Links below
That's
the video. Join us.
That's why I love this exchange. And then I started teaching them about how to short stocks. Look at this. So you could follow along. So the link for this is free. If we go to testimonials, people are posting, look, their wins unbelievable. It's just incredible.
Rushmore said BTC shorts closed while at work 92% and 128%.
I know you see a lot of things on YouTube, right? But they never trade.
TradeMeJR said BTC shorts 133% plus 152%, 150x shorts Jamaica.
When was the last time you made 152%, 133%, 150%? When were you this consistent? These people are consistent. Why? I teach them when to trade, how to enter, how to exit, and they're trading on the best exchange. And it's funny, because I told you that would go down, right? And look, these are starting to come into profit already. Remember, I'm down 635 because of these that won't open. Okay, Zoom, okay, Beyond Meat, and I 50x'd these. So let's see what happens when the stock market opens. I only need the 10:30 a.m. dip. Okay, look, we're in the money already. So let me show you. I really wanted to make this more of a tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to deposit now. Okay, I'm going to use my Exodus mobile wallet. You can have the same one in mobile, or you can have it in desktop. It's a really simple, easy to use wallet. So I want to deposit BTC. So I'm going to put in here BTC like this. And then what I'm going to do is pick the network, Bitcoin. All right, let me shut off my, okay, so you can hear. So I'm going to send over, let's see, what do we want to send? You know what? Instead, I'm going to make it easier. I'm going to send Ethereum, okay? We'll send, say, $2,000 worth of Ethereum. So we're going to go here and put in ETH, and I'm going to turn it to USDT. So let's do that, and let's do Ethereum. Now I'm going to get an address. So I'm going to scan that QR code. All right, I'm going to send over in USD. Let's send 1,500 in Ethereum. That'll get there really fast, and you'll hear the swoosh. Okay, it was sent from my Exodus wallet. I am also going to send over USDT. Let's send $3,000 in USDT. So let's say you come here and you put in USDT. You'll get your address. You want to be on, for me, I like the Ethereum network. Again, I'm going to do this, and we'll send over, say, $3,000. Here's the mindset of a professional trader. Anything I send to the exchange, okay, I consider money I'm willing to lose. I don't want to lose it. Here it goes. Okay. I don't want to lose it. It'll take a minute. Let me just check in my Exodus wallet. Another reason to use Exodus wallet is you can see when it got there, you get a TX ID, which is a transaction ID. Like when you book a consult with me, I ask you, once you send the money, to go ahead and send a TX ID. Okay, so the Ethereum is there already. It takes a moment to show in the back end. I'm looking in my wallet, and the USDT should be there. So let's go over to refresh. Okay, so my USDT goes straight to the trading wallet, but I could either spot trade my ETH, which is a little more complicated for the average person, okay, or I can do convert. Okay, and what I can do is I can take my Ethereum 100% and convert it to USDT, and now it says I need to move it from my fund account to where I can trade, which is standard futures. Sure, let's go ahead and move it. All that USDT from fund to standard futures. Remember, when you want to withdraw, you need to do reverse. Anything that's in fund has to be in standard futures to withdraw. Okay, so USDT, and you'll see that you can deposit anything and do this conversion feature, all, transfer it over, and now it'll take me to the exchange. Now let me give you the basics on BingX. To start, you click the link below the video. You put in your name, and not your name, put in a username, anyone you like, and an email address. Enable 2FA as well. And that's it. If you need to withdraw more than $50,000 a day, they will ask you to KYC. They don't ask you to use a VPN. They're open to every country. But again, for security purposes, for your crypto computing, okay, use a VPN. Obscure your address. So this, all it does is go up and down. So let's think, for everybody that's had my consultation and that's in my group. And again, my consultation, let me just show you, is listed below the video. You can go here. Okay, and it's 0.10. It's a fraction of a Bitcoin. You pay once, and you never pay again. I will teach you in one session. There's no modules of 27 hours of learning. 1 hour with me, I'll teach you. Everything in trading comes down to a simple game of war. Red Army versus the Green Army. You're going to lose your money to the exchange by guessing and being emotional. I will give you a strategic blueprint in a way that anyone can understand, the trader or non-trader. You will join my Discord. You can get in the Discord for free, but the paid part, and you can see my trading over my shoulder, my results, everything, all that for free. But the paid part is where you book the time with me, and then after what happens is you get into the war room. That's where I'm trading side by side with you. It's not a call group, but you will learn to trade exactly like me. There are recap videos that are included in case you forgot or missed something in my consultation. And my consultation is always upgraded to the latest advancements, like the 3-minute cycle, how to never short the bottom or long the top, when to enter, when to exit. Nobody tells you how to get out of a trade. That's why many times you're up 30, 40%, and then all of a sudden you're down. You can send an email here, and you can book a consultation. Now, let's get back to BingX. Why do I trade on BingX? It's the easiest exchange to beat. Okay, and look, we put in, forget my stock trades, but we dropped what? Look at that. That's the average stock market return in a year. What is the fee? Look, that's a $75,000 trade. So you borrowed $74,500 because you only put $500 in. All right, it's 150 times. So the fee is $33 right there. Estimated trading fee. See it? That's the entire fee. So that is a profitable trade. That can be closed with the touch of one button. Okay, and it's a profitable trade. Here's another one that I put in at 100x. Since it's less leverage, what's the fee on that? Well, it's more money. Okay, it's $45 because I put more in the trade. So right now I could trade these. When the stock market opens, I can finish trading my stocks Forget E-Trade, forget Fidelity, forget all that stuff. The pattern day trader rules and all of that's out to get you. So I've deposited some money. I've turned my Ethereum into, and my balance should have gone up from when we started. Look, it's $6,700. I don't remember what it was. That's my available margin. That's there to protect me. Here's the rule. This is how you can do 100x or 150. Well, number one, the new paradigm. Trade on this exchange being X because it's easiest. Number two, trade on cross margin. This risks your entire wallet. But magical things can happen. This is what you want to protect. You could be down thousands. As long as this doesn't go to zero, you're not near liquidation. Once this winds down to zero, then this counter here, the margin ratio, has to drop all the way down. Liquidation point is about 34. So when you're in total panic and you're losing money here, how much do you have here to protect yourself? Were you right in placing the trade in that direction? Now, I opened this for example's sake. I'm going to probably close it. I'm going to lose $45, probably $20, just for demonstration purposes. I went out. Why? Why did I get out? Down here are stocks. These don't open until 9:30 a.m. If I click on one of them, okay, I can't. Like Beyond Meat, which I have been devastating, okay, it'll go back under $10 again. Right, but look what it says. Market trading suspended, and it opens in 1 hour and 58 minutes. That's why I can't do anything down here. Okay, or else I'd be crushing those as well. Can you imagine leverage trading the stock market? So let's go back to the main list. Let me walk you through this exchange. You sign up. You deposit your money. If you deposit USDT, you don't have to confirm it. Okay, you don't have to go through that conversion feature. It'll automatically be here. Your balance will be here. Very, very simple. Now, for the people who know the drill down, I'm going to explain it to you and how to do it. This is for the people that have had my consultation and are in my group. This morning, I will leave only two. You can see I took that little profit right before the price started getting up. Technical analysis is a study of the past. And what we do is understanding the immediate future. This is how people get results like this consistently. They know the immediate future. We trade even dumb altcoins. We trade on, and women are better at this than men. Okay? Pay your wife to get a consultation. You might have to pay her off, but tell her, baby, we can make a lot of money. And she'll be a money maker for you. And you don't have to put her on OnlyFans. Look at that pump. See, that's why we got out of that short. Now, knowing the immediate future is priceless. You can join my Discord for free. Under this video, I am only going to put a link to this so you can read all about it and what you get for your money, or else you will lose your money to the exchange, I promise you. Okay? And I'm going to leave a link for this Bing X exchange. So right now, it is the hottest, the best. I don't have a link for any kind of VPN. Okay, I like to set mine to Ireland. A VPN will always slow you down, which sucks, because we all pay for the fastest internet. I found this one online as part of a privacy suite. I don't use any of the other parts of it, like their antivirus and stuff. I feel it slows me down. But Malwarebytes privacy. Keep it always on. Do not be switching countries. Exchanges, banks, everything don't like that. Okay? So you set it to one country. I like the Irish. What could I say? The luck of the Irish. So we're probably going to pump into the next candle. For the people that are with me, let me show you the drill down. All right. First of all, a 3-second walkthrough. Up here, you'll see some things listed. Those are my favorites. Those are the ones that I checked off as favorites. Okay? Very important. So here's your 6 hour. You can set up your time frames, okay, by putting a star next to them. I chose 6 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute. I keep it on the 1 minute when I'm trading, and I look here. Everybody had a consultation, knows what I'm looking at. Okay, for those of you at home trading under me on Bing X, look, the bigger the candle, bigger the move. Smaller the candle, smaller the move. Simple. So let's take a look at time frames. Number one, make sure this auto button is on, otherwise it will show a mess. So let's look at the 6 hour and ascertain what's going on. Okay, if you look back here, you're an archaeologist. If you look here, you're a trader. For the last 12 hours, we've been pumping. In exactly 24 minutes, a new 6 hour candle will come out. If it's a big green, we'll have direction along, peeps. And pick your entries. Entries and exits are on you. Friday morning FOMO. So there's your 6 hour that replaces looking at the BitMEX 6 hour. Why have two now I like the bubbles of death, I must admit. Okay, but why have to go back and forth? People with 4 monitors, 4 screens, it's stupid. So there's your 6 hour, there's your 1 hour. Okay, people at home know what this means. Make sure you're on auto. Okay, it's called an indecisive candle. We'll skip the 15-minute because right now it looks like the direction is long, but the 1 hour, in 24 minutes when the 6 hour comes out, a new 1 hour comes out. If it's nice green, and nice green here, we have direction to long. And for those of you who are using my 3-minute cycle, you can look at it right here. I never really look at the 15-minute, but all it does is go up and down. You know the 3-minute cycle, right? We know based on direction, okay, what side to pick, the red army or the green army, and we pick the 3-minute cycle. Very simple. So, and then you put it back. Make sure you don't forget what time frame you're on. And I like to put it, once I know direction, on the 1 minute, so I know exactly where I am. You can make them bigger or smaller down here, but when you mess around, you lose auto. Click auto again. That is accuracy. People need to know this. Here's your leverage, 100x on cross margin, smart wallet application. What does this mean? You only put in what you intend to lose, okay? Or that you can comfortably lose. Because many times you'll be down 60, 70%. And, well, you'll give up, close the trade, and it'll only reverse and go the other way. So knowing direction is absolutely critical. So for everyone that had my consultation, from now on, you know, we can do a drill down right here. We don't need volume. We don't need anything. Just Heiken Ashi candles. Okay, so there's your direction on the 6. Here's your 1 hour. You know what that means. You can check your 3-minute cycle right here. Set it to your 1 minute. Enter and exit your trades. Finally, 27-minute video. So up at the top are my favorites. Come down here. You can see all the different things you can trade. When it's the direction to short, I short the weakest. When it's direction to long, I long the strongest. Just a word of advice. Now, if we go all the way down, today's Friday. If you're not in the United States, or if you happen to be using a VPN or something, you can leverage trade the stock market. The S&P 500, imagine 50xing that. The Dow, the NASDAQ. Pre-markets are up huge on the Dow. Okay, if last night before the market closed, you chose the Dow and you chose 50x, okay, you would have a massive payday this morning. This is the single greatest exchange. Crude oil, everything else, but let's go down. All your favorite stocks, AMD, Amazon, Airbnb, okay, Bank of America, all of them. Berkshire Hathaway, Beyond Meat. Oh, I love to short this. You have no idea. The joy. GameStop, Google. And let me tell you, Lyft, Meta. There's secrets to these. I have a stock trading channel. Okay, I'll show it to you. You can try to find it. It's called War on Wall Street, where I show you how I leverage trade stocks, okay, and my strategies, and how I play earnings. Forget E-Trade and Fidelity. Forget all the pattern day trader rules. And I will teach you leverage is what makes you rich. Look at this screenshot. I got 49%, okay, by shorting Beyond Meat, okay, BYND. Now let me ask you a question. No day trader in the world makes that in the entire day. They're lucky to get 5%. I'm going to do that. I literally do that in minutes. Sign up for Bing Exits below. Sign up for my free Discord below. And if you want to get in on being taught personally by me, there'll be a link for that below as well. I think I covered everything for now. Everyone have a great day. Beware of Friday FOMO. Put your favorites up here. Okay? And it's a simple exchange. Have a great day.